Let's get real for a second. So many of you are sitting on the sidelines. You're watching this whole AI thing unfold thinking it's some complicated tech bro wizardry. You think you missed the boat. You're wrong. Dead wrong. The truth is, we are in the absolute earliest days of this revolution. Today, in 2026, using AI to make money isn't just for coders or data scientists. It's for the hustlers. It's for the people who are willing to just try. I'm here to tell you, as a friend, that you have a massive opportunity right in front of you. Trust me on this. This isn't about knowing everything. It's about doing something. This isn't some get-rich-quick fantasy. This is a practical step-by-step playbook that I've seen work. For me. For others. And it can work for you. Okay. Step 1. And this is the most important one. Find a niche and test ideas. Stop trying to boil the ocean. You're not going to be the next big thing for everyone. You need to be the go-to person for someone. Pick a topic you genuinely care about. It could be anything. Vintage sneakers, vegan baking, dog training for apartment dwellers. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as you have some passion for it. That passion will fuel you when things get tough. And trust me, things will get tough. But this is where the fun begins. Now, you use AI to become an idea testing machine. Go to ChatGPT or Claude. Don't ask it for a business plan. That's a waste of time. Instead, ask it for 20 micro-content ideas about your niche. Give me 20 Twitter hooks about houseplant care for beginners. Give me 10 surprising facts about Italian wine. You get the point. Quick, bite-sized ideas. Then, you take those ideas and you post them. On TikTok, on Instagram Reels, on X, on Threads. Wherever your audience might be hanging out. You're throwing darts at a board, blindfolded. This is the key. You watch what sticks. Which post got more likes? Which one got a comment? Which one got a share? The data doesn't lie. The audience is telling you for free what they want more of. AI just helped you generate the test material at lightning speed. Before, this would have taken weeks. Now, it takes 10 minutes. All right, you found something that works. People are digging your succulent tips. Now what? Step 2. Create quick content with AI. It's time to scale up your output, not your hours. Your goal? Become a content machine without burning out. Specific tools become your best friends. Build a simple, repeatable workflow. Go from 1 post a day to 5 or 10. Systems, not just effort. AI is the ultimate system builder. Here's your stack. Use ChatGPT to flesh out ideas. Take that winning topic and say, turn this into a 60-second video script with 5 key tips. Boom. Script done. Next, visuals. Midjourney. DALL-E 4. Create a photorealistic image of a vibrant succulent in a minimalist pot. Boom. Visuals done. Need a voiceover? Don't use your own voice if you're shy. 11 Labs. Paste your script. Generate a warm, friendly voiceover in seconds. Boom. Audio done. Use a simple editor like CapCut to stitch it together. Add text overlays. Add a trending sound. High-quality content. Minutes, not hours. I did this. Game changer. I produced content at a scale I never thought possible. And guess what? People loved it. The quality was there because the idea was validated in step 1. You're just packaging it better and faster. Keep it simple. Short sentences, clear visuals. 1 main point per post. Don't teach everything at once. Provide a little value, consistently. That builds trust. That builds an audience. AI is your leverage, a tireless assistant. You've got an audience. You've got a content engine. Now it's time to make some damn money. Step 3 is to build offers and sell. Don't overcomplicate this. You're not building a multi-million-dollar corporation overnight. You're making your first dollar online. Start small. Take your best performing content, those succulent tips everyone loved, and package them into a simple digital product. 10-page PDF guide, the 7-day succulent survival guide. Can't kill 'em plant care templates. Use Gumroad or Shopify to sell it. They make it incredibly easy. Use AI to create your sales assets. Go back to your buddy ChatGPT. Write a short, punchy sales page for my $7 succulent guide. Write 3 short announcement emails. AI gets you 80% there. You add your voice. Price it low at first. $5, $7, $10. The goal isn't to get rich, it's to get a customer. That first sale is magical. It proves the model works. Then you listen. Ask for feedback. What did they like? What was missing? Their answers are gold. I launched a tiny guide like this, and it sold a few copies on day 1. It wasn't about the money. It was the proof. Repeat what works. Maybe the guide sells well? Great. Next, a short video course. Step 4. Automate and grow. Use Zapier or Make to connect your apps. When someone buys on Gumroad, add them to your email list. Use AI to schedule posts for a month and draft your ads. Automate the robotic tasks so you can focus on the human stuff, connecting with your audience and creating your next great product. This is how you scale income without scaling stress. This is how you win. If you want more daily tips like this, subscribe. Now go do it.